In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. Which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various finance and payment policy. If you are planning